I'm Heart.
I'm Lorraine.
I'm Shok.
And we are the Girls on the Go, where you can watch the chill contents at konting asaran. Tara, samahan niyo kami!
Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog.
Today is June 27, 2025.
We're going to play a game but with the twist.
So, I will be today's host for the game, and the game is I will give them scenarios, and they will have to guess if the scenario is media, information, or technology literacy. And if they did not guess it right, they will have to eat a candy.
This is the candy!
So, the order will be Heart, Shock, Marga, Ruth, and then all over again. Okay, let's start with scenario. Right. Jenny posted a video of her classmates online without knowing how to adjust the privacy settings. It went viral for the wrong reasons, and she was reported for violating privacy, media, information, or technology literacy.
Media information.
Mali. Swan.
Close your eyes!
Describe mo yung ano.
Nakasilip!
Ano, dalawa?
Isa lang!
Uy, ba't nakasilip ka? Ulit!
Ano lasa?
Sweet.
Ay! Sabi siya. Shock naman. Anna saw a viral post saying that drinking baking soda cures cancer. Without checking if it was true, she shared it on her group chat. Media, information, or technology literacy.
Information.
Tama!
Sorry, you're the best friend.
Galing naman din this.
Samantha needed to make a class survey but used Microsoft Word instead of Google Forms. Her classmates couldn't submit answers properly and she had to start over. Media, information, or technology literacy.
Technology literacy.
Tama!
Ako lang mali.
Brian was doing a report on volcanoes. He only used the first link from his search engine, a blog written by someone with no scientific background. His report included wrong facts and myths, media, information, or technology literacy.
Media?
Huli!
Ayun lang.
Ano sa?
Ah,
Baka hindi naman matapang yung lasa niya.
tamis.
Tamis. Kali. Carlo was trying to clear space on his school's shared computer. He accidentally deleted important project files because he didn't know how to properly manage files. Media, information, or technology literacy.
Technology.
Tama.
Gumaling din.
Okay. Two. Sana mamali. Wait.
A few moments later.
Lisa wrote a detailed blog about online scams, but she used complicated academic terms, making it difficult for senior citizens to understand and apply the advice. Media, information, or technology literacy.
Information.
Mali!
Kalis ko yan, no?
Oo.
Dalawang sagot.
Sweet lang. Matamis.
Matamis siya.
Welcome mo naman, be. Welcome mo naman, be. Ano? Nauubos na yung ano na.
Ito may information sa ulit kasi sinabi information na lang kaya. May clue yun.
Game. Anna copied and pasted the report from the internet. She didn't read it. Her teacher asked questions and she couldn't answer. Media, information, or technology literacy.
Media.
Mali. Information.
Nagkamali ka rin. Ba't may pili ka?
naman. Nandun naman yan yung ano pala.
Kung tayo talaga
Joey read online that eating ice cream cures COVID. He told everyone it was true. Media, information, or technology literacy.
Information?
Tama.
Panis.
cut the show.
Tunaw na ba? Media, information, and technology literacy.
Information.
Mali.
Gala sis.